What if I told you one platform could replace 5, maybe even 6 of your favorite content tools? Today I'm going to show you how Syllable.io can help you create, optimize, and publish content all in one place. We'll dive into its core writing tools, its design features, and even some hidden gems that streamline your entire workflow. And trust me, you'll want to see the last feature. It's a complete game changer. Let's be honest, the life of a content creator can feel like digital chaos. You're constantly juggling a dozen different browser tabs and applications just to get one piece of content out the door. I used to bounce between Google Docs for writing, Canva for creating social media graphics, Grammarly for editing, a separate SEO tool like Surfer SEO to optimize for search engines, and then a project management tool like Trello just to keep track of it all. It's exhausting, it's inefficient, and the subscription costs for all those individual tools add up fast. You lose your flow state every time you have to switch contexts, copying and pasting from one window to another. It's a broken system that drains your creative energy. Syllable.io claims to replace all of that, but does it deliver? Let's find out. So what exactly is Syllable.io? At its core, it's an all-in-one content platform designed to consolidate your entire creative process. It's built for anyone who creates content online. Solo writers, bloggers, digital marketers, YouTubers crafting their scripts, and even full-scale marketing agencies managing multiple clients. The entire premise is to eliminate the friction of using separate, disconnected tools. Instead of having your ideas in one place, your drafts in another, your visuals somewhere else, and your schedule on a different calendar, Syllable.io brings it all under a single, unified dashboard. When you first log in, you see your content calendar, ongoing projects, performance analytics, and quick start options for creating new content. It's designed to be your command center, the first and last place you visit for your content creation workflow. Now, let's get into the core tools and see how they solve real-world problems. We'll start with writing and drafting. The problem, that dreaded blank page. Staring at a blinking cursor can be paralyzing. Syllable.io solves this with its integrated AI writing assistant. You can start with a simple topic idea, for example, the benefits of drip coffee. You feed this into the AI, provide a few keywords you want to include, and select your desired tone, maybe informative and friendly. Within moments, it doesn't just give you a block of text, it generates a structured, polished draft complete with headings, subheadings, and introductory and concluding paragraphs. It's not about replacing you as the writer, it's about giving you a powerful first draft to edit and refine, saving you hours of initial research and outlining. Once you have that draft, you move seamlessly into editing and optimization. The problem here is making sure your content is both polished for humans and optimized for search engines. Without leaving the document, Syllable.io has built-in grammar, spelling, and style checks, similar to what you'd expect from a premium editing tool. But here's where it gets interesting. It also integrates a powerful SEO toolkit. As you write, a sidebar analyzes your content in real time. It suggests relevant keywords to include, shows you your current keyword density, checks your readability score, and compares your draft against top-ranking articles for your target search term. This removes the guesswork and the need to copy-paste your text into a separate SEO tool. You're editing and optimizing simultaneously, which is a huge boost to efficiency, but wait until you see how it handles social media repurposing. Next up is content design. The problem many creators face is that they are experts in their niche, but they aren't professional graphic designers. You need visuals for your blog posts, thumbnails for your videos, and graphics for your social media channels. Syllable.io tackles this with a built-in visual editor that feels incredibly intuitive. It's loaded with templates for everything you can imagine: Instagram carousels, LinkedIn banners, blog post headers, and even simple landing pages. You can choose a template and then use the drag and drop editor to customize it. You can upload your own brand assets, logos, fonts, color palettes, and save them to ensure all your visuals are consistent and on brand. You can create a stunning featured image for your blog post right inside the same project where you wrote the article, completely eliminating the need for a separate design subscription. Finally, in the core feature set, we have collaboration and workflow. The problem, especially for teams, is that content creation can get messy. You have emails flying back and forth with feedback, different versions of a document saved everywhere and no clear view of where a project stands. Syllable.io addresses this by turning every piece of content into a collaborative project. Team members can be invited to edit documents in real time, leave comments, and tag each other for specific feedback. There's a built-in approval system, so a writer can submit a draft, an editor can review it, and a manager can give the final sign-off, all with a clear, visible status tracker. This creates a single source of truth for every project and dramatically cleans up your entire content creation workflow. Now, beyond the core tools, Syllable.io has some hidden gem features that truly elevate it. First is automation. You can connect all your social media accounts and your blog and schedule everything to be published directly from the platform. Finish a blog post and its promotional social graphics? Schedule them all to go live over the next week with just a few clicks. Second is the unified analytics dashboard. Instead of logging into Google Analytics, then Twitter Analytics, then LinkedIn Analytics, you can see how all your content is performing from one central hub, giving you a holistic view of what's working and what's not. And third is its incredible ability to help you with repurposing content. It has built-in functions that can take a long-form blog post and intelligently suggest shorter snippets for a LinkedIn post or key takeaways for an Instagram carousel. But that leads us to the one feature that will absolutely blow your mind. This is the one feature that makes Syllable.io worth it alone. I'm talking about the brand voice AI. This is the wow factor. Most AI writing assistants are generic. They write in a standard robotic tone. Syllable.io quote S-brand voice AI is different. You can train it on your own content. You feed it your past blog posts, your website copy, your best performing social media updates, and it analyzes your unique style, tone, and vocabulary. Once it's trained, every piece of content the AI helps you generate will sound authentically like you. It will use the phrases you use, adopt your level of formality or humor, and maintain your brand's personality. This is the key to scaling your content production without losing your voice. This feature alone transforms the platform from a simple tool into a true content partner, making AI content repurposing a seamless and authentic process. To put this to the test, I ran a mini project fully inside Syllable.io. My idea was a blog post on the future of remote work. First, I used the AI assistant for a full draft. Second, I optimized it with the built-in SEO tools. Third, in the same project, I switched to the design tab to create a branded header and an Instagram carousel with key stats. Fourth, using brand voice AI, I generated a LinkedIn caption and a shorter tweet. Finally, I scheduled the blog for Monday, the LinkedIn post for Tuesday morning, and the carousel for Tuesday afternoon. Normally, this would take hours across 4 apps. Here, it took less than 45 minutes from idea to scheduled publication. No tool is perfect, so here are quick pros and cons. Pros: it saves huge time by consolidating tools, costs less than subscribing to many services, and makes the process organized and efficient. It's a fantastic all-in-one platform for most creators. The one con is that ultra-specialized power users may miss niche features, like a Hollywood-level editor still needing a pro video suite. But for over 95% of online creators, Syllable.io easily handles the workload. If you want to end app switching and streamline content creation, try Syllable.io. The link's in the description. But before you jump, watch my breakdown of the top AI tools of 2025. You'll be shocked at what's possible. Thanks for watching. I hope this dive into Syllable.io was helpful. Comment which feature impressed you most, the brand voice AI or the integrated workflow. And if you got value, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.